Welcome to Stockcaster. We're going to show you how to sign up, purchase tokens, and generate your first stock report. First, go to Stockcaster.AI. You can view some sample reports if you'd like to preview what your tokens will get you. Click Get Started to create your account for free. With your free account, you can access the daily market report without using any tokens. After you complete the sign-up, click on Pricing to buy some tokens so that you can generate your first report. There are currently 3 different packages. Once you complete your token purchase, go to your dashboard. The dashboard is the heart of Stockcaster. Here you can buy more tokens, see your affiliate links, access the daily market report, the learning center, and most importantly, generate your reports. We're going to generate a new Tesla report. You will need to know the stock or fund ticker, in this case TSLA. The report will take a couple of minutes to generate, and it will show up under Recent Reports. Once it shows up, simply click to view it. That's all you need to do to sign up and get your first report from Stockcaster. Check out our other videos, like the report walkthrough and how to set up your 2-factor authentication. Like and subscribe for more content.